Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yes, so diba, ang dami kong ginagawa. Okay, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, and syempre, sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay, and syempre, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items. So, evil eye items natin is for protection sa lahat ng minamanifest natin, sa lahat ng ginugusto natin. Help yan. Okay? Yung ating evil eye bracelet, yung ating ring, yung ating necklace. Okay? So, ito yung ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Okay? Ito yung may initial. Okay? This is adjustable. Ito yung isa natin. Ito naman is garterized. Pero pareho silang unisex. Ito po, pwede siyang maging red. Maging red. Available siya in red. Okay? And, ano pa ba yan? Ating ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and, yeah, adjustable yung ating ring. And, syempre, yung ating, okay, yung necklace. Okay, yung necklace natin. Yan, ang ating evil eye necklace. So, kung gusto nyo ng necklace, yan. Okay, so pwede sa lalaki, I think. So, unisex ang ating necklace. Okay, so, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay, para may adjust yung length ng chain. Pero you can use any chains. Kung ano man ang gusto nyong chains. Okay, so, ilipat nyo lang itong pendant. Okay, yung pendant po ang mahalaga, ha? Okay, and syempre, doon tayo sa ating bago, medyo bago, o diba? Kasi may mas bago pang parating. Okay, so ito yung ating love bracelet. Okay, so pwede ito sa singles, sa mga may karelasyon at ang daming conflict, yan. Okay, pwede sa inyo yan. And yes, meron siya mga precious stones and gems, para makapag-provide ng something good na energy pagdating sa connection nyo. And syempre, plus lang yun, ha? Plus lang ito dahil meron tayong gagawin dito bago ko ibigay sa inyo. Syempre, yun yung number one, ha? Okay? Tulong na lang ito, itong mga nakapalibot na ito. Okay? So, naka-box, made to order ang ating love bracelet. This is 7 inches long, by the way. Okay? So, tingnan ninyo kung kasya ba sa inyo yung 7 inches. Okay, so ganyan. So, meron siyang nakapalawit-palawit dyan na na heart-shaped stone. Okay? So, next is yung ating granter. So, iisa-isahin natin again. Okay? Dahil matagal nating hindi na isa-isa. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and this is unisex, ang ating granter necklace. Anong naipoprovide niyan? So, si granter is granter. Okay? Taga-grant ng wish, ng desires, ng minamanifest ninyo, lalo na kung deserve nyo yung hinihiling ninyo, dinarasal ninyo. Okay, hindi na para parang papatagalin pa. Hindi na, walang downtime pagdating kay granter. Okay, so kailangan din po natin ng protection, okay, every time na may minamanifest tayo. Okay, kailangan natin ng protection. Okay, so, yeah. Kung meron kayong available na mga evil eye, gamitin nyo. Okay, so kung meron pang mga tanong, just message me sa akin pong FB page. Okay, yung bago po, yung bago is pagdating sa cleansing. Okay, sa cleansing po yung ating bago, hindi ko pa na ilalabas. Okay, so hindi pa siya ready kasi. Oo. Okay, so air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Diba? May nakakatok-katok. Oo. May katok-katok, may mga tawag dyan. So, let's start. Ano bang kailangang malaman o marinig ng mga air signs? Okay, the Five of Cups in reverse. There's this water sign na nagmo-move on sa'yo, actually. Okay? Or maybe you have to, sabihin natin, kailangan mo na mag-move on dito sa isang water sign. Okay, yeah, the High Priestess. Some of you, may mga guides, number synchronicities, mga ganyan. Okay? Na nagbibigay ng something pagdating sa sitwasyon mo. Parang yun ang kailangan mong ayusin. Parang ganon. Sandali lang po, ha? Okay. So, pasensya na po, ha? Okay. So, ngayon, the Five of Cups in reverse and the High Priestess. Ito yung mga signs. Okay, signs ni universe na kailangan mong makita, intindihin. Pero I don't know kung nakikita or napapansin mo. Okay? Yeah, the world. Okay. Ano tong Five of Cups in reverse? Yeah. Temperance. Yes. Oo, hindi mo nga napapansin. Hindi mo nga nakikita. Ang nakikita ko rito, you're struggling. Yeah, you're struggling. Naiinis ka, nabubisit ka. Some of you, ang daming issue pagdating sa pera. Okay? Kasi pwedeng may mga issue sa past na kailangan na pong alisan, ha? Okay? I-love naman po yun, madam. Pera naman po yung aming issue. Ganun na rin yun. We're talking about frequency here. Okay? Isa lang na aspeto ang pumangit at bumagsak. Damay-damay lahat. Okay? Sana gets. Okay, what else for air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Someone is yung iba sa inyo alam mo sa sarili mo kung ikaw itong nag-move on na. Okay? Alam mo sa sarili mo kung ikaw itong focus na sa mga magaganda, sa mga bagong bagay. May mga nabibiter, may mga nagagalit sa'yo. Okay? Kung ginagawa mo yan, pagpatuloy mo. Yes! Judgment in reversed. Okay. And the King of Cups in reverse. Meron ditong hindi makapagdesisyon pagdating sa emosyon sa'yo. Bakit? Oo, anong meron? Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What's with this King of Cups in reverse? Ano to? Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. Some of them, they're afraid. Kaya hindi nila magawang maging open or transparent sa sa kanilang emosyon pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. They like you. They want you. Who is this? Who is this? The Fool. Yeah, may takot. Some of them, talagang lumalayo. Nilalayuan ka. Yeah. Pero hindi naman nila talaga magawang lumayo, like energetically. Okay? Some of you, there's a decision na pwedeng gawin, na pwedeng ang nakikita kong resulta is a mind over heart decision. Okay? Meron ring mga gagawin na pwedeng hindi mo gusto. Pero kailangan. Okay? What else? You're the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands. Okay. Ooh, the Seven of Pentacles. Investing more on yourself in the near future. Okay, makakakuha ka ng mga atensyon. Maybe. Okay. A lot of respect. Yan ang nakukuha ko rin in the near future. Okay, tataas ang tingin sa'yo. Status mo, Maraming mag-expect sa'yo. Okay? Yun nga lang, may downside. Okay, may downside doon. It's like, ang tingin nila sa'yo, kaya mo lahat. Downside is, parang, madidrain ka doon. Okay? Kasi, ang tingin ng tao sa'yo, ng ibang tao, is kaya mo lahat, kaya mong i-provide everything, lalo na financially. Okay? Expecting a lot from you. Yeah, yung hindi sila maghihintay, hindi ka magdadalawang isip. Yeah, see, the 5 of Pentacles. Pagdating po sa kaperahan, ha, nakikita ko some of you, mag-i-invest ka. Okay? Mas maganda mag-invest ka. Yung merong sabihin nating may mas patutunguhang maganda yung pera mo in the near future. Okay? So, getting a lot of attention from other people in the near future. Okay, excuse me. Okay. So, next is fire signs. Okay, so, what's with you? No, ano bang meron sa mga fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Fire signs. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Anong kailangan mong marinig? Energy check-ins. Prediction. Gabay. Mensahe. For fire signs, the devil in reversed. Getting out of stress, conflicts, if ever. Yeah, the 4 of Wands in reverse. Some of you, may chance na magbago ng tinitirahan, magbago ng workplace. Okay? Nakakuha rin ako dito ng energy ng may mga magpapa-renovate. Okay? What's with the devil in reversed? Yeah. The 7 of Swords. Be careful with this person. They're wearing a mask. Okay? Hiding their true intentions, their true feelings maybe. But yeah, I think this is intentions. They want to drag you down, yeah. The 8 of Wands in reversed. They will confuse you. Akala nyo, magiging tulong tong mga to or sila pagdating sa'yo, pero ang nakikita kong kahihinatnan is mas magiging malala pa kung ano man ito, makakagulo. Okay? Pwedeng sa workplace, mga goals mo. Some of you, kailangan mo isikreto yung mga goals, dreams mo. Okay? To prevent na lang din na ma-evil eye, mabatuhan ng evil eye, no? Okay? What else for fire signs? Yeah, the Hermit. Some of you, may mga araling bago, may mga tutuklasing bago. What's this? Yeah, the 2 of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you, meron kayong i-reject or meron kayong i-ghost. Virgo, Earth sign, or maybe there's this someone na talagang ini-ignore ka or gino-ghost ka. May taong nag-iisip sa'yo, feeling nila dinrap mo na sila totally and you're focused on something more important. Okay? Yeah, people find you someone na challenging. Yeah. And merong mga tao na idadrop ka na lang dahil hindi nila kaya yung challenge. Okay? Yeah, the Justice. Okay, so what's that? Justice. Some of you may chance na kung hindi mo pinagfo-focusan yung mga bagay na dapat mong pag-focusan and nag-expect ka ng something good as the result, wag mong gawin. Ha? Oo. Hindi ko nakikita magiging maganda yung resulta. As simple as hindi papasa. Okay? Pagdating sa exam, pagdating sa test. Okay? Yeah. This is a gabay. Actually. Okay? What's with this justice? Page of Wands. Some of you, there's this new connection coming in with a Libra or a fire sign. Okay? Some of you may chance rin ng pag-open ng business in the near future. Pag-invest maybe. Okay? Opening a business, a small business maybe. What's this Page of Wands? There's this new beginning, a clean slate. Clean, fresh slate. Ano tong Page of Wands? Yeah, ooh, there's a lot. There's a lot. Some of you, magiging busy ka in the near future. Marami kang asikasuhin, marami kang gagawin, like that. Okay? There's a lot of offer coming in for you. Okay? Some of you may chance na makakuha ng maraming ka-connect or may mga mag-offer ng connection for you, with you. Okay? Yeah, there's this past person still lurking. Lurking. Longing. Maybe. Okay? May chance kasi na in the near future, may mga gustong kumonek sa'yo. Asahan mo, meron ding past person na kasama dun. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Okay. Next is water signs. Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Anong message for you? Energy check-ins, prediction, and gabay. Water signs. Yeah. Just be patient, okay? Ace of Wands. New beginning. Some of you, this is talking about travel. Okay? New beginnings, new opportunities, and you'll grab it. You will. Okay? Someone is interested. Someone is physically interested or attracted. What's this Ace of Wands? Yeah, see? Ooh! Some of you may chance ng new connection, may chance ng new relationship. Okay? There's this someone na pwedeng attracted sa'yo. Okay? They like you. What's this? What's this Ace of Cups? There's someone na pwedeng mag-offer ng connection with you, I think. Ano tong Ace of Cups? This is a good opportunity. May chance na pwedeng mangyayari yung mga gusto nyong gawin. Okay? Yung mga pinaplano, mga ganyan. Some of you, if you travel, may chance ng new person, new ka-connect pag nag-travel. See? The Eight of Wands, yeah. Merong gustong mag-share ng kanilang kung ano mang nangyayari sa kanila. Yeah. I'm seeing promotion. I'm seeing an energy of moving forward. Energy ng growth, energy ng action. Okay? Ascending. And I'm seeing that, yeah, ascending. Progress. Okay? Some of you may LDR dito. May LDR or something like makakakuha ng connection or yeah, just a connection through online. Okay? Merong gustong mag-express ng kanilang emosyon, ng kanilang intention pagdating sa inyo. Okay. There's two. Oh, may dalawang tao dito parang nagkakagusto sa'yo. I think. What else? The 7 of Wands. So, meron kayong mga ipupursue. Or someone will pursue you. What's this? The World in reversed. Let's see, ano tong World in reversed? The 5 of... Okay. So, there's this changes na pwedeng mangyari pagdating sa finances ninyo in general. Okay? Meron ako nakikita ritong parang magkakaroon na ng upgrade or magkakaroon ng pag-angat. Okay? From here to here. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Someone will sneak back. Someone will return. Someone will go back. To pursue you, maybe. A past person's energy, yeah. Okay. Ang nakuha ko rito, parang paawa effect to. Mga water signs. Parang paawa effect. Parang magmamakaawa, napabalikin mo siya or i-welcome mo uli siya sa buhay mo. Okay. So, ano magiging outcome nito? Let's see. Yeah. Again. I think, ang intention nito, or sabihin natin, ang gusto lang naman niya is pang sarili. Okay? Pang sarili. If you can avoid this person, avoid them. Okay? Hindi rin naman kasi sila magiging straightforward or transparent pagdating sa kanilang emotion or ang tawag dyan, intentions. Okay? They will leave you hanging rin. Parang ganyan. Parang paisipin ka ng paisipan. Ano bang meron? Bakit ka nandito na naman? Okay, the Emperor in reversed. What's that? Oh, may mga energy, water signs, na naghihintay ng pagbagsak mo. Yeah, some of them, they're your friends. Okay? The Page of Swords is energy ng stalking. The Emperor is here in reverse. They want you na makitang bumabagsak ka. Okay? Some of them, they're your friends. Relatives. Okay? Page of Swords, please. Anong meron? Page of Cups. Yeah. The 10 of Pentacles. Okay, some of you, meron ditong parang nagkakagusto sa'yo. Pero they can't, step up. May takot, may hiya, maybe. Some of you, nasa workplace mo, or sabihin nating, nakakasama mo sa isang lugar. Okay? Someone is secretly crushing sa'yo, on you. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Wow! Some of you, there is an expected money or income coming in. Unexpected. Okay, I will say unexpected. There's growth pagdating sa kaperahan ng iba sa inyo actually. That's nice. Okay? So, asahan nyo yung mga iba sa inyo, talagang hinihintay ng mga to, yung pagbagsak mo, and gusto nila na ikaw is lalapit ka sa kanila. Gusto nila yun. Yung parang magmamakaawa ka sa kanila, hihingi ka ng tulong sa kanila. I don't know why. Yeah, Temperance. They're just waiting. Waiting. Huwag mong ibigay. Okay, huwag mong hayaan na mangyari yun. Pakita mo yung magaganda. Pakita mo na talagang pausbong ka ng pausbong. O, diba? Yan mo silang manggigil. Okay, so next. Okay, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. So, mensahe, energy check-ins, and prediction reading for earth signs. Okay. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, please. Thank you. Okay. So, Three of Wands. What are you waiting? You're waiting for someone, something. Some of you, you're manifesting. The Three of Wands. Ooh. The King of Cups. Are you expecting someone na maging open pagdating sa emosyon nila for you? Or maybe there's this someone who is waiting for you na maging open ka pagdating, yeah. Pero naghihintay dito na sana mag-guard down na siya, like that. Sana express na niya yung mga kailangan niyang express, pakita, mga ganon. Yeah, Days of Pentacles. There's this someone na talagang in love sa'yo. May distance. May distansya. Excuse me. They're waiting. Who is this King of Cups? Hang on. Okay. So, sino ba itong King of Cups na ito? Tingnan natin kung sino itong someone na sabihin natin may emosyon. Okay, tingnan natin. The Empress. Parang pakiramdam nitong taong to, meron kayong strong connection. Like, ikaw, yung tingin niyang gusto niyang makasama forever, mga ganan. Okay. Meron na silang nararamdamang strong emotion, strong connection with you. Okay. So, what else for earth signs? Earth signs. Okay. Six of Wands in reversed. May mga taong tingin sa'yo is napakalaki mong challenge. Okay, and yes, nandoon yung jealousy ng iba sa kanila. Pwedeng ikaw, nakikita nila na nagagawa mo yung mga bagay na hindi nila kayang gawin. Okay? Ano tong Five of Wands? Yeah, see? Hindi nila kayang gawin. Strength in reversed. And yeah, some of you, wala kang pakialam sa kanila. Kaya lalo silang nanggagalaite. Ha? Okay. Some of you, this is sa workplace. Yeah, workplace. Okay. Hang on, sandali lang po ulit ha. Sorry, wait lang. Okay. Ang hirap ng maraming tao. Ito sa bahay. Okay. So, may mga taong naninira sa'yo. Yeah, may mga taong naninira sa'yo. Hanggat kaya nilang sirain ka, gagawin nila yon. Okay? Yung nakikita ko kasi, ikaw yung parang pinakamahirap nilang kakumpetensya. Parang ganun eh. May mga energy na nagsasabi ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Oh no. Yeah, because of, dala ng selos, dala ng inggit. Yeah, the 8 of Wands. You're progressing. And people sees that. People, see everything na nangyayari sa'yo. What's with this 8 of Wands? The 8 of Swords in reverse. Getting out of stress, conflicts, if ever. Yeah. The 6 of Pentacles. Some of you, meron kang ibibigay sa sarili mo para makaalis ka sa isang sitwasyong hindi na maganda. Okay? There's this someone na gusto mag-reach out sa'yo, gusto kang makita, gusto kang makausap. Who are they? Who is this person? The 8 of Swords in reverse. Who is this? Who is this 8 of Swords in reverse? Yeah. Someone na attracted sa'yo. The 9 of Cups. They want you. There's this someone wants you. Liking you, wanting you. They're being impatient. Yeah, someone is being impatient. Yeah, meron ditong nagkaka-crush sa'yo, Earth sign. Someone younger. Okay, someone younger. They want to express their emotions, feelings maybe, or gusto lang nila talaga na makausap ka. Okay? As simple as chat, text. Okay? Pero, I don't know kung anong nag-hold back sa kanila. Some of them, they're holding back. Wish nila na makita ka, wish nila na makausap ka. Some of them, they're too young. They're younger. Okay? Kita nyo naman yung gap. Diba? Pages are, ang age nito is below 20s. Or, early 20s, below. Yun ang mga age nito itong page. Okay? And some of you, they see you as the Emperor. Mature. I don't know if you're mentally mature lang or emotionally mature. But mayroon talagang age. Mayroon talagang gap pagdating sa inyong dalawa. They like you. Big time. Okay? What do they want from you? Aside sa communication. Connection, communication, or relation. They want to know you more. Yeah, they want to know you more. They're talagang totally, deeply, madly. In love, I guess. Yeah, they need you. Alam mo, itong taong to, whenever you're not around, they always look for you. Okay, somewhere. Yeah, okay? I can't. So, yun ang aking nakikita for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.